Is your Mac feeling slow? Not able to run many applications at once? Then you probably need to upgrade your RAM. And I'll show you how to do that. First of all, you need to remove the following 10 screws. 3 14.4mm Phillips screws and 3 3.5mm Phillips screws and 4 3.5mm shouldered Phillips screws. So you just start and then make sure that you organize the screws in a certain manner, because you need to put them back in the same place where they came from, or else it's not going to fit, because they are of different sizes and types, even though all of them are Phillips head. Make sure you take your time with this, because you don't want to scratch your precious MacBook Pro and you don't want to ruin the screws. And then when you're done with this, we move on to step 2. You just use your fingers to pry open the lower case away from the rest of the Mac. And you just set this aside. And then use a flathead screwdriver or a spudger to disconnect the battery over here. So you just push it up like this and disconnect it. And then you go to step 4, bend the battery cable slightly away from its socket so it accidentally doesn't lock down like this. And then step 5, RAM. Pull the 2 RAM chips out of it by pushing away these tabs to the side until you hear a click sound. And then you just pull the RAM chip out of its socket, and you do this, repeat the same for the next chip also. So you just pull it to the side and then pull it out. Then you insert it back like this. Make sure you're careful when you're inserting it back and it doesn't get stuck. And after that, you connect the battery back and put the back case. After this, your Mac is going to be faster than before and you can run more apps than before. If you like this video, please subscribe and thanks for watching.